How to make a Snapchat group chat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make a group chat on Snapchat app. Now, if you open up the Snapchat app and head into your chat by tapping on chat icon that you can find at the bottom of your screen just beside the maps icon and search lenses icon. Here you'll be able to find all your chats here, and if you have any groups you'll be able to find it here. However, if you want to make a chat or if you want to make a group chat, what you want to do is tap on the little blue icon that you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and tap on the new group option that you can see on the screen right now. Once you do this, you'll be able to create a new group by simply typing in your new group name. I'll just choose a group name here, and then you can search for users from here to add to your group. I'll just choose 2 users here. I don't want to be creating much. And once you do this, what you want to do is once you select 2 users, you'll get the chat with group option as you can see at the bottom of your screen. You can select anyone else if you want, but here I'll just select 2 and then tap on chat with the group and your group will be created. So this way you can create a group chat on Snapchat app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.